We're going to see Motorider 2018's new Hawk. Stick right on power lines.
Motorider and his new Hawk, boy! They got that done. Last time I was up, it was just a hole. How much? 220. Nice. You're almost broken in. Yeah. How's she running? Good. You got to gear it up, huh? Yeah. When you're on the highway, it's like. Yeah,
I was only doing like 50.
Yeah, I think 55. When we were going.
All your plastics off to not put your aftermarket pipe on?
Yeah, you either got to cut it or drill it bigger, and it's a pain in the ass. You need a vise. I thought you saw the video. It don't just bolt on. Yeah, and you got to use like the closer bolt so it's a little shorter. Then I wrapped the shit out of where I kind of bent it a little bit. It hits the airbox.
Should have watched the video, Chris. You would have known all this.
Yeah, I wrapped it, and just if it melted, I was just gonna put some of that duct tape with the silver shit. Yeah, it was hitting.
Boy, the sun went down fast.
Ah, you're on a stick. Fucking sticks. Friggin' stick right there. That's one stick right there, and it ends right there too. See it? There you go. Oh, shit. He got hung up on a stick, and he couldn't get over, and the ass end kicked all the way around. He made a hole.
Yeah, and I hit a soft patch there.
shit mud and shit sticks. Man, I hate it getting dark so early now. It sucks. And it's colder. Failed. Holy fuck, that's a big building in there. Yeah, your tire was totally packed with mud. Oh yeah, putting a pipe on, rejetting the carb. Look at that. Red. It's gonna look good, huh? Yeah. Look at that, all done, nice and red. Melted up the AIRBOX on it this time. Some heat tape. Hawk had a little fire from a pinhole in the fuel line last ride. Mountain Dew saved the day. Right? Stall? No.
Caught on fire.
Holy fuck.